My name's Drogo. I'm the founder of Fine Food Specialist. Today I want to show you how to cook some of these amazing ingredients that we sell on the website. This recipe is Nobu style black cod marinated in the white miso. It's a very famous dish. I'm sure a lot of you have tried it. This is exactly the same thing. It's the Nobu recipe. It's all problems taken out of your hand. You buy the fish, it arrives frozen, goes straight in the oven, hot oven at about 180 to 200 for about 8 to 10 minutes. The big flakes and the black cod start falling apart and there's a beautiful glaze. It is just spectacular, unbelievable. We're going to eat it afterwards and I'm going to try and give you an idea of the feelings, the sensations and the taste because it really is special. I'm actually going to grill this right under the grill. And the sugar in the miso, which would be in the alcohol in the mirin, which has sugar and alcohol in it, will caramelise. Look at that. Lovely and glazed. The very flaky flakes are falling apart, showing that it's cooked now. And we leave it to rest for 1 or 2 minutes just to finish its cooking and let the juices come back into life. That's it. Lovely. Perfect, very simple, doesn't need anything more than that. Some green shiso, some amaranth, or some purple shiso even, and that is just ready to eat. Okay, so I'm going to dig into this amazing piece of fish. Give you an idea of how good it is by eating it. It's soft, it's sweet, it's flaky. The sweetness is very special because it's not sugary sweet. It's got a miso flavour coming from it. It's absolutely amazing. I mean, it's like eating butter. The soft bit in the middle, it's got less miso on it because the fish will absorb the miso. And then obviously it's got a layer on the outside that's actually being caramelised, as you can see here, but I just can't tell you how good that is. So simple. Imagine that at your dinner party. 8 portions, 8 guests, straight in, straight out, glazed, finished, and it really is spectacular. Guys, I've just had my bit, you've got to taste that and see your opinion, please.
That's lovely. There's so many different flavours in one. Delicious.
So good, super buttery.
I really hope you've enjoyed watching me cook these recipes today. All the products and recipes are available on finefoodspecialist.co.uk. Go and have a look at the website. There's plenty more there to see too.